Godzilla vs Dragon. In the red corner, we have the king of the monsters, Godzilla. He's a radioactive lizard that's 325 feet tall and weighs 66 pounds. His atomic breath is so powerful that it can melt rock and metal, and he's fought against and defeated many other monsters, including King Kong. In the blue corner, we have the dragon. It's a fire-breathing, flying reptile with sharp claws and teeth. It can also turn invisible. Now, dragons are typically shown as being very powerful and magical creatures, but they're not invincible. In fact, they're actually quite rare, and so our dragon has to team up with some friends in order to take on Godzilla. But will it be enough? You decide in the comments who wins this battle.